All right, let's take a look at the VLOOKUP function. VLOOKUP stands for vertical lookup. I want to look something up on a table that is organized in a vertical way, which this is. It's listing them this way rather than this way. So VLOOKUP happens to be the feature. So if I wanted to enter a VLOOKUP, in this case, I can use my helper up here to find more functions. And I can say that I want the VLOOKUP right here. And the description of that is looks for a value in the leftmost column of a table and then returns a value in the same row from a column you specify. By default, the table must be sorted in ascending order, which ours is. So let's go ahead and hit OK. If I remember right, there's going to be some problem solving involved in this, but I don't think it's more than you can handle. Our lookup value is going to be the number right here, and our table array is going to be this table right here, correct? We want to anchor it because we're going to be copying it, and you've learned the basics of trying to fix those values so they don't move with us. And we're going to want it to return not the number in this column, but in the second column. So the little help down here will tell you or direct you to put that second or number 2 in there. And notice that it's not coming up with the C that I was expecting because 79.4% should bring up a C. So there's something wrong with the data, and let's see if we can solve for that. Because I don't think the formula is actually wrong. We're going to go ahead and copy it in here. But then we're going to go back and see what's going on. If I actually made these into percents, are some of you math guys picking up on this? What do I actually have? Yeah, 600%. So of course it's not understanding that. I need to enter 0.6 for that one. I need to enter 0.7 for that. Can you imagine on an exam if how many of you wouldn't have been able to guess this one? I think it's kind of unfair. So we're going to give you that help. And now you can see it's already automatically calculated some of those values for us. So the tough part about the VLOOKUP is knowing how it's been used and maybe taking a peek at that and getting a little preview like I've done. So again, we're going to take a little break after this less than 3-minute video and see if you can go attempt the VLOOKUP.